Pink and Purple Pumpkins by Simone Cooper. Illustrations by My Way in Education. What would you think if purple and pink were the colors that pumpkins came? Halloween night might not be such a fright. Wouldn't that be a shame? Would it seem funny if Easter bunnies were colored orange and black? Would it make them zoom around on brooms wearing those pointed hats? Would it be smart if Valentine hearts came in emerald green? And shamrocks instead came in red? I think St. Patrick would scream. Would you believe a Christmas Eve wrapped in yellow and black? They're bumblebees, not Christmas trees. We'd want the old colors back. I would just cry if the 4th of July was beige, burgundy, and puce. And it would be quirky if Thanksgiving turkey turned out to be chartreuse. What would we do if the stars turned blue and the sky was lemon yellow? And how would it be if the deep blue sea was as white as creamy marshmallow?